Hello everyone. Now in our irrigation engineering, today we are going to see our remaining topic of drip irrigation is advantage of drip irrigation. So before we going to see our next topic, in a previous video we saw that there are different type of method are used for irrigation. कौन सी मेथड है? तो सर देर आर 3 टाइप्स ऑफ इरिगेशन मेथड आर surface irrigation method, sprinkler irrigation method, subsurface irrigation method. Now in a surface irrigation there are 3 methods: flooding method, furrow method, contour farming. In flooding method there are also 2 types: wild flooding and controlled flooding. Wild flooding is also known as uncontrolled flooding. Then after controlled flooding, in controlled flooding there are also 6 types of irrigation method: free flooding, contour laterals, border strips, check basin, basin flooding and zigzag method. So these are the different type of method used for method of irrigation. Now we saw different type of irrigation method. Now our next topic is advantage of drip irrigation. Now before we going to see advantage of drip irrigation, first of all what is drip irrigation? Drip irrigation किसे बोलेंगे? So drip irrigation is also called as trickle irrigation. Drip irrigation is also known as trickle irrigation method. It is one of the latest developed method of irrigation which is becoming increasingly popular in areas with water scarcity and salt problem. This method was first introduced in Israel. In India it is being increasingly practiced in Gujarat, Maharashtra, Kerala and Karnataka. So it is very most important irrigation method. Now component of a drip irrigation method. So there are 3 component of drip irrigation unit. First is control head, pipe network, emitter. So in a control head consists of an overhead tank, a flow control valve, a water measuring device, pressure control device, filters, pumping unit, etc. Then after pipe network, the pipe network consists of a main line and number of lateral pipes. Sometimes sub-main lines are also required between the main lines and the lateral pipes. A number of small diameter pipes called trickle line are provided from lateral pipes to carry water to the roots of the crops. So generally there is one trickle line for each row of crops. Now emitters are provided on each trickle line at a suitable spacing depending upon the type of crop and soil condition. Emitter is precise metering devices which has a very low flow rate, usually 1 to 10 liter per hour. Now advantage of drip irrigation. So water requirement is less. So in irrigation method, first of all water requirement is less. Save 40 to 70% of water when compared with the conventional method. जो प्रीवियस हम लोगों ने मेथड देखी थी, surface irrigation, subsurface irrigation. So comparison of that type of irrigation method, in drip irrigation method it saves 40 to 70% water. Evaporation losses are quite low. Evaporation loss कम होगा. Deep percolation losses are entirely eliminated. Deep percolation जो losses होगा उसे हम eliminate कर सकते हैं. Then labor cost is less as a no fill channel. Furrow are required to be constructed. Water logging is avoided. There is no any kind of flooding method used or uncontrolled method used. So there is no chance of water logging. Water logging होगा नहीं, so it is avoided. The drip irrigation is quite suitable for small trees and widely spaced plant. ठीक है, किसके लिए suitable है? Drip irrigation is suitable for a small trees and widely spaced plants. It is not suitable for irrigation of a fruit plant. Fruit plant के लिए ये this method is not suitable. Sorry, most suitable. फ्रूट प्लांट के लिए दिस मेथड इज मोस्ट suitable. The problem related with the weeds and soil crusting are eliminated. ठीक है, जो प्रॉब्लम है, ठीक है, रिलेटेड विथ वीड्स एंड सॉइल क्रस्टिंग आर हम एलिमिनेट कर सकते हैं बाय यूजिंग दिस मेथड. द प्रॉब्लम रिलेटेड टू फंगस एंड इंसेक्ट डिजीज कैन बी कंसिडरेबली कंट्रोल. ठीक है, जो प्रॉब्लम होगा फंगस का एंड इंसेक्ट डिजीज वो हम अवॉइड कर सकते हैं. दिस मेथड इज क्वाइट सूटेबल फॉर द अरिड रीजन वेयर द वाटर इज लिमिटेड. ठीक है, जैसे कि वहाँ पानी की कमी होगी एट दैट एरिया में हम ये मेथड यूज़ कर सकते हैं. देन ओवर इरिगेशन इज अवॉइडेड. ओवर इरिगेशन होगा नहीं. द प्रॉब्लम ऑफ सॉइल इरोजन विच नॉर्मली अकर इन द सरफेस इरिगेशन आर एलिमिनेटेड. जो प्रॉब्लम सॉइल इरोजन होगा उसे हम एलिमिनेट कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, ड्रिप इरिगेशन होगा, सो इन अ ड्रिप इरिगेशन soil erosion can be eliminated. So in a drip irrigation all the land are effectively utilized as there is no wastage of land for preparation of levees, bunds, ditches, fill channel. In this irrigation method preparation land is not necessary. ठीक है, कि लैंड प्रिपरेशन की रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं होगी क्योंकि हम ऐसे ही पाइपलाइन बिछा देंगे. सो ट्रिकल लाइन बिछा देंगे, वहाँ पे हम कोई भी टॉपोग्राफी होगा लैंड का, सो हम ये प्रोवाइड कर सकते हैं. सो जो लैंड प्रिपरेशन कॉस्ट है वो बच सकता है, जैसे कि लीविस, बंस, डिचेस वो कंस्ट्रक्ट करना जो कॉस्ट होगा वो हम अवॉइड कर सकते हैं. एज द लेवलिंग ऑफ द लैंड इज नॉट रिक्वायर्ड इट कैन बी यूज फॉर एनी टोपोग्राफी. ठीक है, लेवलिंग की रिक्वायर नहीं होगी, इट कैन बी यूज फॉर एनी टोपोग्राफी. नाउ in this method soil nutrients are preserved because the reduction in depopulation losses. The drip irrigation can also be used when the water is saline. As the water is applied through emitters, the salt move to the outer edge of the wetted zone and hence the water near the root zone is less saline. So it is the advantage of the drip irrigation method. Now disadvantage or some limitation of drip irrigation. The initial cost of various components as a pumping unit, filter, pipeline, nozzle, etc. very high. ठीक है, जो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल जो इंस्टॉलमेंट टाइम आप लोग जो कंपोनेंट हायर करेंगे या खरीदेंगे एट दैट टाइम जो खर्च होगा वो थोड़ा हाई रहेगा. ठीक है, जैसे कि कंपोनेंट कौन कौन सा है, पंपिंग यूनिट, रिजर्वायर में से पंपिंग करके पानी बाहर लाना वो पंपिंग यूनिट, फिल्टर, पाइपलाइन, नोजल, सो वो कॉस्ट हाई होगा. देन ईमीटर यानी कि नोजल होल आर वेरी स्मॉल. ठीक है, 0.5 to 1 mm डायमीटर होगा. हेंस दे आर फ्रीक्वेंटली क्लॉग्ड बाय क्ले एंड सील पार्टिकल्स रिजल्टिंग इन द रिडक्शन ऑफ फ्लो. ठीक है, फ्लो रिडक्शन होगा क्योंकि जो होल होगा तो उसमें जो क्ले या मिट्टी आ जाएगी, सम सील पार्टिकल आ जाएगा, वो उसको क्लॉग करेगा. सो वो एक डिसएडवांटेज होगा. देन ड्यू टू द चेंज इन द क्रॉप में रिजल्ट इन अ फ्रीक्वेंट रिप्लेसमेंट ऑफ ट्रिकल लाइन. ठीक है, कि हम आप क्रॉप को रिप्लेस करेंगे. ठीक है, सीजन के हिसाब से हम रिप्लेस करेंगे. एट दैट टाइम क्या होगा, जो रिप्लेसमेंट करना पड़ेगा ट्रिकल लाइन को उठाना पड़ेगा, फिर वापस डालना पड़ेगा. सो इट इज़ द वन ऑफ द डिसएडवांटेज. दिस मेथड इज नॉट सुटेबल फॉर क्लोजली प्लांटेड क्रॉप सच एज अ वीट. जैसे कि कोई वीट, गेहूँ का जो हम क्रॉप प्लान करेंगे तो एट दैट टाइम ये मेथड यूज़फुल नहीं होगी बिकॉज जो क्लोजली प्लांटेड है एक दूसरे से क्लोज होते हैं. सो इट इज़ नॉट सुटेबल. ड्यूरिंग हाई विंड द प्लांट में टॉपल ड्यू टू शैलो रूट डेप्थ. ठीक है, देन इरिगेशन वाटर इज सैलाइन डिजोल्व सॉल्ट आर डिपोजिटेड नियर द एज ऑफ द वेटेड जोन. दस पीरियोडिकली फ्लशिंग इज रिक्वायर्ड फॉर विच वाटर हैज अप्लाई बाय द सरफेस इरिगेशन. सो these are the some disadvantage of the drip irrigation. Now comparison of sprinkler irrigation and deep irrigation. So very most important here एग्जाम में पूछ सकते हो, write down difference between sprinkler irrigation and drip irrigation. So in a sprinkler irrigation low water requirement 65% of that required in surface irrigation. ठीक है। जो सरफेस इरिगेशन होगा उससे कितना परसेंटेज पानी यूज़फुल होगा, 65%। लो वाटर रिक्वायरमेंट इन ड्रिप इरिगेशन, लीस्ट वाटर रिक्वायरमेंट 20 to 30% ऑफ दैट रिक्वायर इन सरफेस इरिगेशन, ठीक है। हायर इवापोरेशन लॉसेस स्प्रिंकलर में, ऑब्वियसली स्प्रिंक होगा हाइट पे, सो हाईएस्ट इवापोरेशन लॉस होगा। इन ड्रिप इरिगेशन इवापोरेशन लॉसेस आर निग्लिजिबल, होगा ही नहीं। स्प्रिंकलर इरिगेशन सुटेबल ऑल टाइप ऑफ सॉइल इंक्लूडिंग हाईली परमिएबल सॉइल, all type soil are suitable for sprinkler irrigation. So in a drip irrigation it is suitable for all type of soil including less permeable soil. Soil erosion is controlled, no soil erosion. Seriously affected by windy condition, not affected by windy condition. Drip irrigation, sprinkler entire surface area is weighted. In drip irrigation, least surface area near a root of the plant are weighted. Surface temperature is reduced resulting in longer crop period. So in a drip irrigation, surface temperature is kept high resulting in reduced crop period. Pipes used are a high pressure and expensive. Pipe used are low pressure and cheaper. In a sprinkler irrigation, require riser the requisite height and spacing. Obviously हाइट पे रखना पड़ेगा तभी तो ये इरिगेशन होगा. So require riser of requisite height and spacing. No need of riser. ड्रिप इरिगेशन में राइजर की रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं होगी. Has movable plant free from movable component. Sprinkler irrigation comparatively slow rate of a crop growth and a seed germination. So higher rate of crop growth and quicker seed germination. Weed and pest growth and disease are least. Weed, pest and insect trouble are least. In sprinkler irrigation, widespread application is especially suitable for tea and coffee gardens, young seedling and plants. So while in drip irrigation suitable for plant at some spacing such as a vegetable, orchids, etc. Sprinkler irrigation localized application of fertilizer is absent. So in a drip irrigation localized application of fertilizer. No land leveling is required, no land level is required. दोनों मेथड में लैंड लेवलिंग की रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं होगी. स्प्रिंकलर इरिगेशन लोअर वाटर एप्लीकेशन एफिशिएंसी 65 to 70% and highest water application efficiency about 90%. High initial cost and operation charges in sprinkler irrigation. In drip irrigation, low initial cost and operation cost. Now comparison of surface irrigation and drip irrigation. So in a surface irrigation, highest water requirement. Drip irrigation, least water requirement, about 20 to 30% of that required surface irrigation. Surface irrigation, wasteful use of water and highest saving of water in drip irrigation. Surface irrigation, low crop yield, highest crop yield in drip irrigation. Surface irrigation, problem of soil erosion. Drip irrigation, no soil erosion. Surface irrigation require preparation of land. Drip irrigation does not require leveling. Surface irrigation, all the surface soil is saturated. Drip irrigation, only root zone is saturation during irrigation. Surface irrigation suitable for all type of crop. Drip irrigation suitable for plant or some spacing such as vegetable, orchids, etc. Surface irrigation, high percolation losses and leaching down of fertilizers. So in a drip irrigation, minimum percolation losses reduce leaching down of fertilizer. Surface irrigation less effective in water distribution efficiency. Drip irrigation more effective in water distribution efficiency. Surface irrigation, land is not under a canal section and a fill channel, where drip irrigation maximum use of land. Surface irrigation suitable for all type of soil except very light soil, where drip irrigation suitable for all type of soil, especially coarse texture soils. brackish or saline source of water is unsuitable, then brackish or saline source of water can be utilized. Surface irrigation, low rate of vegetable growth. In drip irrigation, highest rate of vegetable growth का ज़्यादा होगी. While weed and pest growth is less. So this is the difference between surface irrigation and drip irrigation and sprinkler irrigation and drip irrigation. So it is very most important theory.